This is my 2010 Chrysler Sebring. This is how to replace lower front ball joint on Chrysler Sebring Dutch Avenger. Nut and bolt, you need to take off this bolt 32mm. These two bolt 12mm. 3 bolt holding this metal plate 10mm. Lower ball joint bolt, this is 18mm. Brake caliper bolt, this are 18mm. First you need to take off this 18mm and then use this ball joint separator. This you can get this at Harbor Freight. You need to remove axle nut. This is 32mm, about 120 foot-pound. You need to take off brake caliper bracket and brake caliper. This is 18-inch. This is about 100 foot-pound. Put this caliper here. Take off the brake rotor. Take off this plate. There are 3 10mm bolts. Take out. Because there's a little hole. You cannot see, but there's a clip here. Clip is like facing this, so you cannot put a flathead screwdriver from this side. There's a tiny hole behind it. There's a tiny hole inside, so you have to use a flathead screwdriver here and hit with hammer to take off the clip. Once you take off the clip, you can push downward and take out the ball joint. For this I used Maddox ball joint. All you need is this piece, this piece, this piece, this and this. Put this piece like this and then put nothing on this side. See, it fits, but it's not gonna go all the way in. But you can lower down few, like 3mm, and then this bolt end will come out from this hole. So you put this tiny piece here, put like this, and then push again, and this top surface will go down like 1mm downwards. Then you use a punch like this and hit with hammer. Then you can take out the ball joint. And when you install the ball joint, you don't need to use this. You use this attachment. Put on the ball joint. Like this, and hit with hammer. This is not gonna work. You need at least, maybe this is 4-pound hammer. You can put on 2x4 wood, but on my case it didn't work. I had to hit directly. It's not gonna cause much damage.